I feast on the idea of abundance. The one Spirit manifests itself in and through all, including me. I accept with positive certainty that the Spirit within me goes before me and prepares my way, making perfect, plain, straight, easy, and happy the pathway of my experience. There is nothing in me that can obstruct the divine circuits of life, of love, of beauty, and truth. My word dissolves every negative thought or impulse that would throw a shadow of unbelief across the threshold of my expectation. Today, I have faith that my word shall not return unto me void. I surrender myself completely to this faith. My prayer, then, is one of affirmation and acceptance. I lift my cup of acceptance, knowing that the Spirit's outpouring will fill it to the brim. I identify myself with abundance and success. I identify myself with the living Spirit, with all the power, all the presence, and all the life there is. Realizing that all action starts in and is a result of consciousness, I prepare my mind to receive the best that life has to offer. I see through all physical and mental obstructions to the one perfect presence within me. I see through all apparent contradictions to the one perfect being in every person. I see through all confusion to the one divine presence at the center of everything. I fast from all ideas of lack and feast on the idea of abundance.